Hi, welcome to Cpanel course. In this lesson, we will learn how to use the Cpanel file manager. First, log into your Cpanel account. You can get the Cpanel from your hosting. Okay. After you log in the Cpanel, you will see this dashboard. Use the credentials you get from your hosting. Okay. Now we are in the Cpanel dashboard. The file manager is used to upload files, manage files. It's easy for you to manage any file on your Cpanel account. Okay, first navigate to File Manager. It's under section of Files. Click on File Manager. Okay, it has many directories. Click on Public HTML. It's the root of your website. Okay, now my directory is empty. If I want to upload a file or edit a file, first there's no files or directory, I have to upload it. Okay, click on upload icon, then click on select files, click on the folder or the file you want. Now I want to upload this WordPress folder, or let's say I want to create a new file called index.html. okay, I want to upload this. Okay, reload the dashboard. Now you have the file. You can edit, you can rename it the file because it has .html.text extension. Right click on the file and rename it. Just remove the .text, click on rename file. Now I have index.html in my root directory. Let's check it. You see it, it's blank, there's nothing. That's how to use the file manager. If there's many files or folders that you want to download it, just right click and click on download, or you can do compress, then choose compression type, example zip. Okay, then click on compress file. It makes the file or the folder as a compression, then it can be easy for you to download it. Okay, welcome, this is our lesson. Please give me any questions if you have one. Thank you.